How to log into Xfinity account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're gonna find the search box. Type in Xfinity login and search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, xfinity.com. With that, you will be directed to the login page. Now from here, you can easily get access to your account. First up, type in your email, mobile or username linked with your account. In the case you have forgotten your Xfinity ID, you can click on this option. With that, your problem will be resolved. Once you fill this, click on Let's Go. In the next page, you will need to type in your password and click on Done. Just with that, you will be logged into your account. So this way, you can easily log into your Xfinity account. In the case you haven't created your account yet, click on this option, create a new Xfinity ID and go through the process. Well, that's a wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.